Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss value addition method. Here items are given and we have to calculate sales. Before calculation of value addition, let us discuss some precautions related to value addition method. Actually these precautions are a part of your theoretical portion. Number 1, value of output is considered by taking the sum of all cost inputs. Number 2, purchase of machinery is not a cost input. Only that part of machinery is a cost component which is used in the process of production. It means depreciation. We deduct the depreciation from it. Number 4, here decrease in stock. Sixth item is given. It means decrease in stock means it will be considered as negative value. And last one, factor payment or payment for non-factor output. First and second item, that would be considered because these are the sum total of all the factor. These are the payment to factors of production. So first or second item will be considered as net domestic product at factor cost. So let us start the numerical. We have to calculate, first of all we will calculate value of output. Value of output is equal to item number 1 plus item number 2, because these two items are at factor cost. So we have to put depreciation in it. We will add depreciation. Item number 3, which is 5, and we will also include net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes are not given, rather depreciation, net indirect taxes. Instead of net indirect taxes we are taking or indirect taxes minus subsidies. Indirect taxes or a goods and services tax, that is known as indirect taxes. It means 16 minus subsidies is also given, that is 4. So the value of output will be 117 lakh rupees, 117. So this is the value of output. Next we have to calculate sales. We know that value of output is equal to sales plus change in stock. Value of output recently we have calculated 117 is equal to sales we have to calculate and change in stock. Instead of change in stock, plus decrease in stock is given. The value will be considered as negative value. So 107 plus 8 will be equivalent to sales. So the value of sale will be 125 lakh rupees. So that would be the answer. So some questions are related to precautions of value addition. So that must be taken in, all the precautions must be taken into account. Only then you can calculate the sum. So do subscribe the channel to see more videos related to value addition. Thank you.